Welcome to AMJ Aluminium Windows and Doors. AMJ adheres to the principle of quality first, customer-centric, aiming to become a trusted partner for brands seeking efficient and cost-effective manufacturing solutions in the building materials sector. Our core business covers customized production of sliding windows, casement windows, folding doors, and curtain walls, with a commitment to precision, manufacturing, and reliable quality control. The production process emphasizes precision and efficiency, consisting of 14 key stages. Our production process is semi-automated, equipped with the most advanced machines, and every stage of the operation is strictly controlled to ensure the quality of our doors and windows.